Hi guys, welcome to Lytical Preps. So today we are going to simplify 3 plus 2 root 3 all into brackets multiplied by 3 minus 2 on root 3. Okay, so we should leave our answer in the form p plus q root 3, and hence we should find the value of p and q. Good. So we have 3 plus 2 root 3 multiplying by 3 minus 2 on root 3, like this. Good. So first of all, what we need to do is to expand the brackets. Okay, we should expand and simplify this. So let us expand this first. So this is a simple multiplication. So this will take, to also multiply this. When we finish, then 2 root 3 will take the 3 and also multiply this. So we are going to get 3 into bracket 3 minus 2 on root 3 plus 2 root 3 multiplied by 3 minus 2 on root 3. Good. So we can simplify this. We know that 3 times 3, we are getting 9. 3 times negative 2 on root 3, we are getting, so it's going to be minus 3 into bracket 2 on root 3, like this. Okay. Plus 2 root 3 multiplied by 3 minus 2 root 3 multiplied by 2 on root 3, like this. So let's simplify this further. Get 9 minus 3 times 2, we have 6. And the denominator is root 3. So write out root 3 plus 2 root 3 times 3 is the same as 2 times 3 root 3, you see. So 2 times 3 is 6. Then we have our root 3. Minus this one is going to be 2 times 2, which is 4. Okay, so 4. Then our root is root 3 on root 3. Good. So when you simplify, this is what we are going to get. Okay, we can simplify it further. Okay, so we are going to get our 9, then minus 6 on root 3, okay, plus 6 root 3. Don't forget, we can bring the 4 out since it's multiplying. So you can say that. So this one, let's do some rough work here. We have 4 root 3 on root 3. We can rewrite this as 4 times root 3 on root 3, you see. So the root 3 would cancel out the root 3. Okay, good. So in this case, you can say that this one is the same as negative 4 because it's cancel out. Good. So let's group like terms. So 9 minus 4, then we have plus 6 root 3 minus 6 on root 3. Nice, like this. 9 minus 4, we are getting 5. Then plus our 6 root 3 minus 6 on root 3. Good. Now you can see that we have to do something to this 6 on root 3. Okay, we can't add or multiply straightforward like that. We have to rationalize the root 3. Okay, so to rationalize this root 3, it means that we should multiply the numerator, which is 6, by root 3, and the denominator, which is root 3, by another root 3. Okay, so it's going to be 5 plus 6 root 3 minus 6 on root 3. So multiply by root 3 and bring the bracket so that you can see it clearly. By root 3. See? Good. And so we have 5 plus 6 root 3. Now, 6 times root 3 is 6 root 3. Okay? And then root 3 times root 3. So it's going to be, so it's root 3 times root 3. You see? So it's the same as root. So 3 times 3, like this. And 3 times 3, we know that is what? It's root 9. So, which is root 9. And we know that root 9, square root of 9 is what? Is 3. So we can say that 6 root 3 on 3. Okay? Good. So now we can simplify the whole thing again. So we know that 5 plus 6 root 3. And don't forget, 3 goes into self 1 and it goes into 6 how many times? 2 times. So leaving us 2 root 3. Okay? Good. So we can still simplify this because we are having 6 root 3 minus 6 root 3. They are like terms. So we maintain the root and we subtract 2 from 6. So it's going to be 5 plus 6 minus 2 is 4. So 4 root 3. Good. So now let's compare it with the form. We were given P plus, so it was P plus Q root 3. You see? So when you comparing, so when you compare this with this, you can see that now our P is 5. Okay? And our Q is what? It's 4. Good.